out he ain't mean it. Guess he thought it was sweet then. Now you see I don't pretend. Yeah, I took it so long. He got off like the weekend. Used to live in a crack house. I felt like I was strapped down. The Rock versus my OG. She went through more matches than SmackDown. Had to fight through the pain and fight through the
Audio Jungle.
What's going on, YouTube? How is everybody doing out there? Hope everybody's doing well. As you guys can see, we have the 2019 Air Jordan 4 Breds. For all you guys out there that don't know, Nike did a shock drop. I was able to get them, man. Very, very happy to have these. We're going to get into a detail review and an on feet, so stay tuned for the on feet at the end of the video. Also, if you're new, hit that thumbs up. Click that subscribe button and don't forget to click the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload videos like these. My Nike receipt right there. Take a look. Alright. Air Jordan 4 box. Nothing special at all. Just coming in a Jordan 4 box. Take a look at that size tag. Size tag reads Air Jordan 4 Retro. The colorway is black, red, cement, gray. Retail is going to be $200 and these are going to be releasing on May 4th. Everybody knows the Jordan 4 was released in 1989, so they brought it back OG, man. As you guys can see, let's jump into it. Got the OG hang tag with the Nike Air. The whole shoe features a nubuck material throughout the whole shoe, which is very, very nice in my opinion. Starting off with the front of the toe box, take a look. Look at the nubuck on here, man. The nubuck is smooth, but it's real soft, man. Real soft. Take a look at the netting, black netting. Going up, got your black laces on the tongue. You can see you got your flight with your red Jumpman on the patch. You got the gray eyelids right there. Your wing in the black right there. Black netting with your nubuck on the whole upper of the shoe. Got your cement gray on the midsole, following with the black and the white. Take a look at the air bubble unit. It's clear. Medial, same as the lateral. Black netting, black wing, honeycomb eyelids in the cement gray with your whole black upper in that nubuck. Take a look. Midsole with your black and the white air bubble unit. Let's get to the back of the shoe. It's what a lot of OGs been waiting for, man. Take a look. You got your Nike Air back there in that gray. Air Jordan behind the tongue on the tag. Inside you got your Nike Air on the inner sole with the red inner sole sock liner in gray. Get to the bottom. Bam. Look at that. You got your Nike in the bottom with the Nike swoosh. Got your hits of the gray with the red, the white. Air 4s are my favorite Jordans ever, man. I love the Jordan 4 and the Jordan 12. Those are my favorites. That's basically it, man. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if anybody out there got lucky on the shock drop. Also, let me know if you will be picking these up May 4th. Retail is going to be $200. As for sizing on this shoe, I do recommend you go true to size. So definitely go true to size. You'll be good to go. I'm about to show you guys what they look like on feet right about now. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, man. Hit that thumbs up for your boy. Also, stay tuned. Got more videos to come. Thank you, guys. We got the OG classic Bred 4s on deck. About to get into this on feet. It's your boy DS Dan, and I'm gone.
I got lots of troops, I call them goons, yeah. Keep the stick with the scope and the zoom, yeah. With the gang in the field, what's the move, yeah. I got drip from my head to my shoes, yeah.
If I call my goons up, you know that they gon' shoot. But we just getting money, we ain't worried about you. I got niggas rippin' red, I got niggas rippin' blue. Gotta watch out for the feds, these niggas giving out clues. They hit my nigga in the head, I I seen that shit on the news. When they told me that Raheem's dead, I didn't know what to do. I just gotta keep pulling off of my niggas up on the hill. Now I'm saying the label means and turning down all these deals.
I got lots of troops, I call them goons, yeah. Keep the stick with the scope and the zoom, yeah. With the gang in the field, what's the move, yeah. I got dread from my head to my shoes, yeah. Excuse my swag, I got mana. She want me to nail, she got the hammer. We just smoke loud on Havanas. My goons on alert like it's handball. My
goons say on alert, but you don't want no cancer. One cold drill of jobs, turn them to a dancer. Lately I've been out the field trying to get my bands up. But don't you ever get it twisted to hit your camp up.
I got lots of troops, I call them goons, yeah. Keep the stick with the scope and the zoom, yeah. With the gang in the field, what's the move, yeah.